Okay, hi everyone. Today we will you how to receive the Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator and another app from uh, to be. So the first, click to search Niva app and try this link, and then uh, click to download now. Okay, you will wait for uh, this app download to finish. Okay. After downloaded, you can open folder or open and close. For me, I click to open to install now. Click to that. Okay. For license agreement, I click to I agree and continue. We will wait for this one to be installed. Okay, after our installed, need to start later or start now. I will try to start later. After installed, you see this app, so in your screen. So now I click to this. Okay, so this one, I try game Ready Driver because I play game it use to studio, edit video and another software. So you can try this. For me, I try to game and click to next. Okay, for this, I click to next. Click to next, and this one you see this in exclusive. You watch. You can receive the Adobe Creative Cloud 1 month. So, this, this software you can use many apps include Photoshop, Illustrator, Lighting, and many software. So for artists, you use before artists, you can receive about 1 month or 2 months. So now I will click to login to Gmail. This one will show login Photoshop tab. So now I will click to this tab. Okay, the one you need to write email to register. Register, I will enter my email. Okay, the one I will write the this name. This first, and now click to I am human. Okay, so now I will verify I am human. After verify finish, click to create account. Okay, now check now to enter the code and click to continue. Okay, verify done. So now we will click to submit. You can click to that or no need choices. Click to submit. Okay, you are login with close this tab and settle the application. Okay, so now you see I already login finished and please look at CDM. Okay, you see. You want available Adobe Creative Cloud about 1 month you want. So now I will click to CDM. Click to I agree. We need to wait in the website to log in. Okay, after you see, click to redeem your reward. You see we will receive the Adobe Creative Cloud 1 month. So now you see click to redeem. Okay, you see with socket port RTX GPU you will have a phone boot. Set tab, okay, and start from 17 June from 2025 to 31 May 2028. Okay. So this column you can bootstrap from Nvidia 30 or 40 for series level work on month and Adobe Creative Cloud Pro. You can see here. This one is information for this season. So now I will click to complete season promote. Okay, so now I need to log in the email. Then click to Creative Cloud. Click Cloud account. Okay, you see this is redeem. So now I will click to redeem code. For S payment method, you can click to see my later and click to get started. Okay. For this, we need to November. You want date of birth and to continue. Okay. So now you see this home. Okay. I search for soap and click to download. Okay, so now I click to run install Microsoft software. Click to continue. To this. Okay, so now you see why install Photoshop. You can do this, click to click and click to continue. Okay, see questions, you can click to skip question. You want also to skip question. You wait for Photoshop to install it. Okay, welcome to Adobe Creative Cloud. I already Photoshop and now to zip. This app also installing. You only three. You need to wait. You see, you want installing it. Okay. After installed Photoshop, you see this Photoshop is open. Okay, so now I click to new file and click to create. Okay, so this is finished. Thank you for watching my video. If you could please like and subscribe for me.